How's it going, everyone? Today we're going to be checking out this KeaBabies baby hand and footprint kit. This is a newborn keepsake frame, a handprint and footprint. In the pack, you're going to receive clay, a rolling pin, an instruction guide that gives you detailed instructions. You'll receive colored paint as well as brushes. You'll receive letters as well as a holder so that you can imprint your baby's name or date, whatever you would like, on the clay itself so that it will be forever next to their footprint. You'll receive the clay holder, the frame, as well as surrounds that have cute little sayings on them. And you can put a picture in the middle of your child to have in the middle of the feet. And it gives you a little example here of what it should look like. The frame is white rustic, kind of whitewashed, really cool looking, and really all well put together kit. The clay itself is super easy to use. You just cut the pack open, follow the instructions on putting it into the frame, and then take the impressions. And as you can see here, this is after we did our baby's impressions. They hardened up in about 2 to 3 days, and we were able to then finish the project. All you do is put a picture in the middle and put the frame back together, and you have a complete kit. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it helped. Have a great day.